Attention all passengers, we're going to be stopped here for a while. We had an incident, I'm sorry.
Record real quick.
No, I'm shutting the door.
You work here?
I'm the engineer.
I'm the engineer.
So don't ask me questions. I ask you questions.
You crashed into them?
Huh?
You crashed into them?
Yes, he was hanging over the cross.
Somebody got hit. Yeah, it was down the road one. Then somebody in Naperville two times last month.
I saw the car fly.
I hope they're okay.
I mean, I felt like this car was about to go off the track, yeah.
Yeah, just wait. He was blowing his horn for a long time, you know, for them to get off the track. I wouldn't try to cross it.